Hey everyone, how's it going? Quick inequality here. Just want to go over it. Very simple. So first thing I always tell my students is understand what they're asking you to do, okay? And understand the actual equation. So this means that 6 is going to be greater than some number y plus 3. So when you rephrase that is, you're looking for a number y, that's what that y represents, right? Which is an unknown number. That when you add 3 to it, it's going to give you a number greater than 6. And it's just like any other equation. So the first thing I want you to envision here is, what do I have to do to make that unknown number, which we also call a variable, be alone, be by itself on one side, okay? And in this case, that unknown number is being added by 3. And so what you want to do is you want to do the opposite of what's happening to that unknown number. So you want to subtract by 3. And if you do it on one side, you got to do it on the other. So in this case, I'm going to come here and I'm going to subtract the 3 to take away that one. And since I did it on this side of the equation, I'm going to do it to the other side of the equation as well. And so I'm going to come here and I'm going to subtract the 3. Okay. And now what that's going to give me, when I do that, okay, it's going to give me 6 minus 3, and I'm pretty sure you know the answer, which is 3. Okay, and we keep the same equation sign. It's greater than, and then 3 minus 3 is 0. So then on the other, so the only thing I got to bring down is the y. And there's your answer. That unknown number has to be less than 3. What this is telling you is that 3 is greater than or less than y. And the other way that you can write this, just to make a little bit of more sense to you, is you can make it so that the y is on the left. But if you do that, always remember that the mouth has to stay eating the same number. So the open mouth, that's why we switch around, has to stay eating the number 3. That's how I like to teach my younger students to think about it. It's almost like Pac-Man. I don't know if you've played Pac-Man before, but hey, here's the little Pac-Man guy, and on this equation on top, he was eating the 3, and in this equation down here, he's still eating the 3. And maybe it's easier for you to read because you read from left to right. Why? It has to be less than 3. So that means any number less than 3 will work here. And that typically would mean 0, 1, or 2. So if you plug in a 0, 0 plus 3, that would work. If you plug in a 1, 1 plus 3, that would work. Plug in a 2, 2 plus 3, it would work. Hey, I hope this helped you in some sort to solve the equation. But if it didn't, please feel free to send me a message. I would love to run this with you on a one-on-one basis. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care, everybody. This is Andy the Tutor checking out.